Fall fashion is more than cozy sweaters and pumpkin spice tones. It's about presence, the kind of looks that turn heads, leave a lasting impression, and make people remember your style long after you've left the room. Today, I'm sharing 10 fall fashion looks they'll never forget. Outfits that radiate confidence, class, and timeless appeal. Look number one, the structured midi dress, and you can pair it with knee-high boots. It's polished but powerful. Add a belt to define your waist and a trench for that dramatic flair. Look number two, the turtleneck dress, and it pairs well with the long coat combo. It's sleek, sophisticated, and perfect for those chilly fall days when you want to look effortless. Look number three, the cozy knit dress with suede or ankle boots. Add gold jewelry and a warm toned scarf. Simple but unforgettable. Look number four, the plaid pencil dress. Classic fall pattern, but make it chic. You can also pair it with a solid blazer or a faux leather jacket for that boss energy. Look number five, the monochrome moment. Deep burgundy or chocolate brown from head to toe. It elongates your frame and screams elegance. Look number six, the cream sweater and camel coat. Add statement earrings and a structured bag. This look whispers luxury. Look number seven, the flowy floral dress, and you can pair that with tall boots. A soft, romantic touch that transitions perfectly from brunch to date night. Number eight, the belted wrap dress. Always flattering, always feminine. Choose jewel tones like emerald plum or stay neutral with white. Number nine, the black dress with gold accents. Simple, timeless, and magnetic. Add a red lip and you're unforgettable. And finally, the statement coat look. Even over a plain dress, it's an instant head turner. Remember, it's not just what you wear, it's how you own it. Confidence never fades, and true style leaves an impression that lasts. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.